Again, welcome to Statistics course. In this lectures, we're going to discuss about data classification. This is Unit 2, lecture number 2. So we start with discrete data. Here we said that a data in which the observations are restricted to a set of values, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, that possess gaps is called discrete. So a discrete data is based on counting. An example would be how many patients visit an hospital. Next is the continuous data. Here we say data that can take on any value within some interval is called continuous. So a continuous data is based on measurement. Example would be my weight is 24.7 kilogram. So any data that is based on measurement is again continuous data, and it can be a decimal number or a whole number. Example, my height is 6 feet or my weight is 6.3 kilogram. Next, we're going to talk about level of measurements of data. A level of measurement of a data is the quality of data. That's the quality of data. So the quality of data is referred to as its level of measurements. And we have 4 different types of measurements, level of measurement. Here we say when analyzing data, we must be exceedingly conscious of the data's level of measurement because many stat analysis can only be applied to data that possess a certain level of measurement. So our first level of measurement will be a nominal data. A nominal data normally is a data that represents whether a variable possesses some characteristic. Example would be the patient's color of eyes is blue or yellow, or the color of my skin is black or white. So again, nominal data means the only arithmetic operation we can perform on it is only counting. We can count how many patients have certain characteristics or how many customers bought an item over $10,000, etc. Next is the ordinal data. The ordinal data represent categories that have some associated order. So the keyword is in order. So a person can smoke 20 cigarettes, 10 cigarettes, or 5 cigarettes. And we will say that it's a medium smoker, light smoker, or heavy smoker. And the size of shirts can be large, extra large, medium, etc. Or even a basketball league. New York Knicks is first, LA Lakers is second. So any data that is based on order, maximum, minimum, etc. Next, we talk about interval data. Now, we say that if the data can be ordered and also the arithmetic differences is meaningful, then the data is interval. So a very good example will be a temperature. A temperature can be 0. 0 means it's very cold, so it's in order. We cannot perform a division or a multiplication on interval data. It's only differences or addition, we can say. And the last one, which is the 4th one, is the ratio data. Now here we say ratio data is similar to interval data, except that it has a meaningful 0. So if my bank account is 0, it means I don't have no money. But if a temperature is 0, it means it's cold, so it's not meaningful. So that will be an interval. So we have example here. Is money a ratio variable? Yeah, the answer is yes. But let's see example here. Say a friend had a $40 and you had $20. 40 divided by 20 will give me 2. Again, this makes sense. So it's a ratio. Money is a ratio variable because ratios can be quotients are meaningful. If someone does have $40 and you have $20, it means they have twice as much money as you have, which is 2. 40 divided by 2. Next, we talk about qualitative data. A qualitative data is measured on a nominal or ordinal scale. So we can see that in a qualitative data, we cannot do either addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on it. So qualitative data can be based on, again, a nominal or ordinal. Then we have a quantitative data. A quantitative data, again, is based on interval ratio. So we can do, again, numerical arithmetic operations on it. So that will be the conclusion of these lectures. Again, these lectures, we learn different types of data classification. First, we start with the two major classification of data, which is either the data is discrete based on, again, counting, or continuous based on measurement. Then we talk about the level of measurement, which are 4 of them, and also the difference between quantitative and qualitative data. Again, thank you for the lectures. And also thank you for your time.